Hello and welcome to this tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be telling you how to fill cells, the Excel cells automatically. Suppose if I give an example here, suppose you have a date that is 1st January 2023, and if you drag it to this, suppose till this, and you can see the data has been filled automatically, but you have a option right here. You can see once you select all those cells, you have an option autofill option. So here we have something called fill series. So fill series is automatically selected, but you have fill formatting only without formatting, fill days, weekdays, month, years, and like that. So this one is quite same as the fill days. If I click on fill days, so it will be same. And you can have option called fill weekdays. So you can see that the weekdays, I mean Saturday, Sundays are out and remaining days will be filled here. Then you have option called fill month. So you can see that I had the beginning 1st of January 2023. Now all the months have been counted, increased by 1. Now going to next one, the fill years. So that also you can see that so years has been increased by 1. So you can use this autofill option to automatically populate data into your Excel sheet. So that's all about this tutorial, and in the upcoming videos we are going to upload more videos and some tips and tricks on Excel. Thank you for watching.